Good morning folks, Matt here on the planet, and today we are at Ben Nevis. So we're going to climb up Ben Nevis today, run climate approach, a little bit of running, a little bit of climbing. I think it's steeper as you get up there, so never been before, but this will be the first time we've been up. Here we are at the visitor centre, just as we're about to get going. And yeah, so you can pick up everything you want. You've got gels in these gels, your t-shirt, you've got some headbands, and then headbands. Looking forward to it. So this is the visitor centre, and take a look. And I think that is either part of Ben Nevis or one of his friends nearby, but we're going to find out as we get up there. So yeah, we're looking forward to getting started. If you do come here, we got here about 9 o'clock and the car park's chocker. Really just got parked. People are parking on the edges of the parking bays and stuff like that, so it's very difficult to get parked. But yeah, we're ready to get started. Right, let's get up there. I think it's going to be about 9 hours. Off we go. Like Canada, Austria, in its own way. Obviously not the same, but in its own way. But you know, you could enjoy it just as good. Could have a bit of biking up there. I definitely wouldn't do that. Pretty little view. But it looks like when it's full of snow, it must be great. So I'd say 95% walking, 5% running at the moment. It's warm. It's very warm. Feels like 20 degrees in the sun, at least. But that's okay, it's nice. Lovely place. So about 3k, about my watch is saying 3.3k in at the moment. I don't know how accurate that is, but we're making progress. And it's actually not that bad. It's not that difficult. Or maybe we're just at the early part of it, because it does say the start is early, is easy, but they don't say it's a 1k or it's a 2k that's easy. But it always helps when it looks like that. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm sweating, and I put the headband on because it was just trickling down my face earlier on. It's not so bad now because the sun's not right in my face, but it looks like it's still quite a way to go actually. I don't know if you can see the path up there. You can see zigzag people all the way up to the top, so we've got to keep going. It's really quite easy. So it's probably going to bite me in a bit, like, but I'm up for the challenge. We're about 4 kilometres in now, according to my watch. It looks like it's getting closer. It's definitely getting chillier, but the sun's behind the clouds at the moment, so that is some kind of luck. I can't be bothered to get my phone out and checking what it was actually called, but we'll put it on the screen, of course. Look something. It looks pretty great at the top there, like, but I think the views from the top should be nice. I think we're really lucky with the weather today in terms of wanting to see the views. Let's keep going. Obviously, it's amazing view-wise, but if you're a runner, a marathon runner, half marathon runner like I am, it's just really good exercise for knee strength as well. I probably won't do any strength training today because I'm doing it now, so I kind of am doing it. Top of Nevis. You just got to get over to that little bit over there. There seems to be a couple of monuments and things like that. Quite a popular place. The scenery up here is like, it's phenomenal. Like, even Scotland could be this nice. We did it in the Hoka Torrent, Hoka Torrent 2. Perfect shoe for this kind of stuff. Probably didn't need the leggings on either. We wore the leggings today. It was just because I prefer shorts probably, but we weren't sure whether it was going to be like quite bushy, quite a lot of vegetation as we were coming up the mountain, and it turned out that it wasn't. There's like none. There's a little bit at the bottom, but it's not the stuff that's going to scratch your legs and things like that and make you itchy and things. So yeah, next time running shorts.
Since 1965.
That one's nice. Mango. It's got caffeine now. So as we're stumbling and rambling down, we've got these, forgot about it actually, I should have tried them on the way up, but we've got these, bought a load of Morton stuff recently, and Morton sent us to this 225C and the 225 standard one. So we're going to give them a go and see what they taste like. So it's like black oaty stuff. Not bad actually. Do you want to try? And try this one as well. This is the one. This one's that one's a lighter colour. So basically the C one means black, and then the non-C one means this. I don't know what the difference is actually in terms of. I prefer that one actually, the lighter one. I usually prefer light chocolate rather than dark chocolate. They're not really my kind of thing. People prefer solid fuels, probably better for trail running and things. So I don't know, see what I like when we get to the bottom, maybe I'll change my mind. Okay folks, so we're getting near the end now. Back, you can see everything's green. We've come back down from the mountain. We are now just over 7 hours We had a little detour to the little lake. So distance so far is 16.7 kilometers. Maybe it's only about 16 is where we're at, and I think on the official date it's supposed to be about 17 kilometers, so it's not too bad. We'll be almost back to the car park soon, so I think we'll call it there, and we'll put in the stats on the screen for the day, for the run or the walk. To be fair, like most of it was walking, probably only did about a kilometre of total cumulative running, but yeah, it's good. It's a good course to come and do, and I think it's, if you're a runner, it's definitely good for your leg strength to come and spend 7 or 8 hours up on the mountain like this, hiking up. And the views are spectacular when you get to the top. Very beautiful. Really enjoyed it. So we'll call that, and we'll be getting back to some running content shortly for you. Thanks very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.